Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the case expressions in Oracle. So the case expression goes through the conditions and returns a value when the first condition is met. It is like an if then else statement in any other languages. So once the condition is matched, it stops reading and returns a result. If no conditions are matched, then it returns the value from else clause. If the else clause is not mentioned in the expression, then it returns the null. Let's look at the syntax of case expression. So it is simple. We need to use a keyword case. After this, we need to use when, which is also a keyword, and then we need to specify the condition. Once the condition is matched, then it returns the result. We can mention multiple when statements within the case and also include else statement for the no match found, which means if no conditions are matching, which we have specified in when, then it comes to else and it returns the result which is mentioned in the else clause. Then we need to end this case statement with the keyword end. Let's look at some examples and see the use cases of case expression. Here we are in our SQL developer. Let's look at the data inside our employee table. Let's use the case statement and create a new column called department name in the output. If the department is 10, the department name should be accounting. If the department number is 20, then we will specify the department name as research. And if the department number is 30, we will call it as finance department. If any other data comes, we will call it as no department found. Okay. So here we have the query where we are pulling employee ID, employee name, department number, and then we are using a case statement which starts with the keyword case and then the column name on which we want to perform a checks and return a result. So the column on which we want to perform a check is department number. When department number is 10, then the result should be accounting. When it is 20, then it should be research. When department number is 30, then we should get sales. If any other department comes, we should mention it as no department found. We will end this case statement with end keyword and give it a name department underscore name. Let's run this query, and if you notice here, we have got 4 columns in the output. Wherever the department number is 20, we have the department name as research, which we have mentioned here. Wherever we have the department number 30, we have the department name sales. Similarly, wherever we have department number 10, we are getting department name as accounting. There's another way we can use this case statement. Let's use that also with the same number of columns, just employee ID, employee name, department number, and then we will use the case statement. Under this, we can say when department number is equal to 10, then I need accounting as a result. Then we will specify another when clause. We will say department number when department number is 20, then I need result as research. Similarly, we can use another when statement. When department number is 30, then I need the output as sales. If anything falls other than these 3 departments, I need to get a message, no department found. We will end this case statement with the end keyword and give this a meaningful name, department name, from our employee table. So this is another way of writing the case statement. If you run this query also, you will get the same result what we were getting in our previous query. So it is up to us which way we want to write our case statement. Let's take another example. This time we will take the salary column to check the grade of each employee. So if the salary is greater than 3 lakh, those employees belongs to grade A. If the salary is greater than 2 lakh but less than or equal to 3 lakh, the employee belongs to grade B. And if the salary is greater than 1 lakh but less than equal to 2 lakh rupees, then the employee belongs to grade C. If salary is falling anything beyond this range, we will say no grade found. So this is our requirement. So let's go ahead and try to prepare the query for this. So here we have a query. We are taking 3 columns: employee ID, employee name, and then salary, and then we are using case statement for our requirement. So the first requirement is when salary is greater than 3 lakh rupees, then it should be grade A. In the second condition we have when salary is greater than 2 lakh rupees and less than equal to 3 lakh rupees, then we should get grade B. Similarly, the third condition we have is when salary is greater than 1 lakh and it is less than or equal to 2 lakh rupees, then those employees should fall under grade C. But if the salary is not falling within these three ranges, we will say not falling under any grades in else clause. We will end our case statement with end keyword and give a meaningful name to this column we have given here as grades. So let's go ahead and run this query, and if we notice here, those employees whose salaries are greater than 1 lakh rupees but less than equal to 2 lakh, they are falling under grade C. Employees who are having salaries greater than 2 lakh but less than equal to 3, they are falling under grade B. Similarly, the employees whose salaries are greater than 3 lakh, they are falling under grade A. But those employees whose salaries are below 1 lakh rupees, they are not falling under any grades. So this is how we can use the case statement. With this, we have finished our case expression. So that's it for this lecture. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.